The average coach in North America earns $65,000 a year. I make that every single month in recurring revenue using Skool and paid ads. And after working with over 500 online coaches, half a dozen seven-figure brands, generating nearly $2 million online in our own business over the last couple years alone, the patterns have become obvious as to why some coaches and experts expand and others really struggle. And the coaches who struggle, what I've seen is the coaches who have struggled to create a business that generates consistent cash flow and does not burn them out, important note, is typically because of one of these 5 things. So number 1 is they have limiting beliefs about what they think is possible from their programming. Okay, they have weak offers and messaging that attracts poor quality leads, if any leads at all. Okay, they have misaligned business models that lead them to burning out. And despite being an expert in their field, they're typically not experts at business and don't have the skills that pay the bills. And they typically struggle really hard with tech and information overload, which ultimately has them hate their business. They build these businesses that they grow to hate because they find themselves not actually getting to do the work that they enjoy, and instead they find themselves needing to become like a social media influencer or a funnel builder. And I don't know about you, but I hated my business when I had to do it that way. I just wanted to coach, I want to serve people, I want to have a business that gave me more freedom and was actually fun to run. And I have that now, and it's awesome, and I want to help more people experience this. The path is simple, it's not easy, it's also not as fast as some of these internet gurus would have you believe, but it is 100% possible. We are doing it, and we're doing it by leveraging Skool, AI, and ads. Now here's my challenge though. Most people have been burned by business coaches over promising and then seriously under delivering. I got burned by 2 business coaches last year and it cost me $20,000. It was a $20,000 investment. Lessons learned, okay? But we are different. And I don't expect you to trust my words. I want to show you that we're different. I want to show you how we're different so that you can see and judge for yourself. And we're not for everybody, okay? But this is why I created this free community. It's where I can show you that we can help you by actually helping you in advance before you pay me a dime, okay? And inside this community, the members who are taking action, we have people like Ryan, who says here, our free course and the high value offer course is better than 15K coaching programs that he's bought. We have people like Steven, who's booked 12 calls from just one of our fast cash strategies. Okay, we have people like Jacob, who launched his first high ticket program and sold it for $3,200 from scouring our free resources. Okay, so here's the catch though. We don't just let everybody in. We decline about 30% of the people who request to join our community. And every week, we remove hundreds of people who don't take action. There's no spectators in here, okay? We've gamified the entire process. If you want to unlock our best resources that will show you exactly how to build a 5K to 50K per month coaching business, see, we kick people out. We've even been interviewed about how we kick people out. But if you want access to these resources, it's free to join, but you do have to take action. Okay, this is only for coaches who are serious about building a legit business that they love and who want to make a real impact. And so if that's you, then go ahead and click this button somewhere around this video and join our group. And before I start deciding to charge money for this community, okay? So go ahead, join the group, take action, unlock our resources, and I'll see you on the inside. Maybe, if we let you in. All right, see ya.